letter T. What is this? Capital T, and here there is small t. And down here it is a tomatoes. Tomato starts with T. So write T, then trace the rest. O, M, A, T, O, tomato. Okay. Then here you have a top. Top starts with T. T, O, P, top. Okay, T for tomato and T for top, and T says t t t. Say along with me. T says t t t. Down here you have capital U, and here there is small u, and here you can see umbrella starts with U. Okay, write U, M, B, R, E, L, L, A, umbrella. Say. Next one is urn. U for urn. Write U and R, N, urn. So U for umbrella and U for urn. And U says Okay, say along with me. U says Okay, those are the phonics. Now here there is capital V, here small v, and here you can see vulture. It starts with V. Write V here. Rest you will trace U, L, T, U, R, E, vulture. And here you have a violin. Write V here. I, O, L, I, N, violin. So V for vulture and V for violin. And V says v. Say along with me. V says v. And here there is W, capital W and small w. Down here you can see watch. So W for watch. Right? W here. Trace A, T, C, H. And what is this? Whale. W for whale. Write W. Then write H, A, L, E. So W for watch and W for whale. And W says v. Okay. W says v. Okay. Next comes X. This is capital X. Here small x. And here you can see a xylophone. Write X here. Write Y, L, O, P, H, O, N, E. Trace it. Okay, so X for xylophone and X says x, x, x. So say along with me. X says x, x, x. Next is Y, capital Y and small y. And Y for yo-yo. So write Y here. Trace the O. Again write Y here. Then trace the O. So yo-yo. And here you have Y for yak. Y-A-K, yak. So Y for yo-yo and Y for yak. Y says yeah. Say along with me. Y says yeah. Okay, next comes capital Z and small z. Here you can see number 0. So write Z here. Trace the rest. E-R-O. Okay, here you have zebra. So write Z, E, B, R, A, zebra. Z for 0 and Z for zebra. And Z says z. Say along with me. Z says z. Okay. Now here you have to stick a sticker. What is it? My name starts with letter L. You have to stick here. My name starts with letter P. You have to stick this side. So let us go to the sticker page. The last page. Okay, here. And here you can see 2 pictures are there. Lion and octopus. Which one starts with letter? My name starts with letter L. So which of these starts with letter L? lion, octopus, parrot and frog. Yes, lion. And my name starts with letter P. Which of these starts with letter P? Yes, parrot. Okay, so you have to take the sticker of lion and sticker of parrot. And lion sticker you will stick over here, and parrot sticker you will stick here. So that's all about phonics. So today you learned phonics, right? Different sounds for each letters. So tomorrow we'll do more activities and learn more things. Okay? Till then, bye children.